Cloudy Bay, based in New Zealand, is a world-renowned premium wine brand. The company has been active in the wine industry for over 40 years.
Hi. To deliver a high-quality service to our customers, we provide a V10J in-vehicle tablets integrated with a cloud-based management platform enabling smarter venue management.
Cloudy Bay has implemented a solution that combines V10J automated spraying, real-time data tracking, and precision agriculture management with RTK GPS and a cloud-based management system for real-time uploading and intelligent analysis of grape cultivation data and spraying records. Traditional manual spraying is inefficient, leads to waste of pesticides, and is ineffective in controlling pests and diseases. With the V10J, various types of data are uploaded and analyzed in real time, enabling digital, visual vineyard management. The rugged and durable V10J in-vehicle tablet provides core support for real-time data uploads and the development of rural management databases. This approach was chosen to help staff feel more at ease and work more effectively under ideal conditions. Therefore, they need innovative and value-added technologies. The V10J in-vehicle tablet is easy to install and features an IP65 rating, a high-brightness screen, multi-signal support, and multiple ports. All spraying, cruising, and wrap-up tasks, as well as all data, are clearly visible in the back end at a glance, saving you time.